If you are a student and your pocket money finishes in 3 days, then this video is for you. Keep watching. You open your wallet and only coins are there. You go out with friends and you calculate what you can afford. You want to buy a course, but you wait for someone to share it free. You want a new phone, but you tell yourself next year. And when someone asks how much you earn, you simply smile and change the topic. This is the reality of most students. But today this can change, because in this video I will show you 5 skills which students are using right now while studying to earn money online. Not after degree, not after job, right now while studying. Some are earning 5,000 and some are earning 20,000, some even 50,000 per month from their room using phone only. Firstly, remove these doubts from your mind. You don't need a perfect English, coding, degree, investments and rich parents. Just you need 1 hour daily and with internet connection and willingness to send messages to clients, and that's it enough. Let me tell you one truth: skills make money, degree alone does not. There are graduates with no income and there are students with skills earning monthly. Here difference is only one thing, that is action. In this video I will not give only motivation, I will give you exact skill, exact learning plan, exact sample work plan and exact client message method. At the end of this video I will give you a 30-day student income challenge. If you follow that, you will get your first payment, but only if you watch full the video. Listen carefully, this is not magic. You have to learn, practice, send messages daily. No message is equals to no client, no client is equals to no money. This is the fastest skill to get your first payment. You can start today after this video. Why? Because every creator needs reels or shorts, and that too every single day. So they need editors, so they do not have time, so they pay. And you can start using your mobile phone. Why this skill is perfect for students? You do not need to speak, you do not need to show your face, and do not need perfect English. You only edit videos and you can do it at night after your college from your bed, and the clients pay monthly. Then what tools you need for this? If you have phone, CapCut or VN editor is fine. If you have a laptop, CapCut PC, Premiere Pro. This is optional, not needed now. Start with the free tools only. Do not try to learn everything. Follow this roadmap. So first day, learn how to cut and trim videos. And day 2, learn how to add subtitles. And day 3, how to zoom in, zoom out, keyframes. And day 4, learn how to add emojis, sound effects, B-rolls like that. And day 5, learn background music. And day 6, learn hook style editing. And day 7, make one full reel. Search on YouTube CapCut reel editing for beginners, and then practice daily 1 hour like that. That's enough. Most students make one mistake, that is they wait for clients. So do not wait. You create yourselves. Just create your own sample video. For that, go to YouTube, search podcast videos or else motivational videos like that. Then step 2, download that raw footage and just try with the 30 or 50 seconds video only. And step 3, edit like a reel. Big subtitles, zoom cuts, emojis, music, add all these things. And step 4, make 5 reels at least. Then now you have portfolio. So without portfolio, no one client trusts you. After that, create one Google Drive folder. Upload your 5 reels into that folder. And this is your portfolio link. And you will send this link to your clients. Then, how to find clients? Go to Instagram and search podcast or else a business coach or else a motivational videos, finance creators, fitness like that. So find small creators with 5k to 10k around like that. Why small? Because they reply. Big creators don't reply because they have so many DMs, right? Then remember this main thing. Exact message you will send. Hi, I made a free reel for your content. Can I send it to you? If they say yes, send your reel. Then again send. If you like it, I can edit 30 reels monthly for your page. Simple. And do not write long messages. So like this, daily send 20 or 30 messages. Some will ignore, some will say no, and some will say yes. And that one become your client. For example, if you send 20 messages daily, you can get at least one client in 7 days. And then the main part is how much to charge. Firstly, do not work for free. Beginner price at least 3,000 for 30 reels monthly, and that is only 100 rupees per reel. It's very affordable for clients, so they will definitely pay. After 1 or 2 clients, increase your price from 3,000 to 6,000 after practice, and that too again increase your price 10,000 per client. So month 1 client is equals to 3,000, and second month 2 clients with 6,000, and third month 3 clients with 10 or 15,000. All are from phone. In this skill, avoid these mistakes. Do not send I'm beginner message. Do not send long messages and do not edit without subtitles. Don't use small text. Big subtitles is equals to a good reel, and you can also post your reels in your Instagram account. When clients check your portfolio, they see your work and this increases trust. First client is the hardest. After first client, confidence increases, and second client comes faster, but do not quite quickly. If you feel editing is not for you, no problem. Next skill is for students who like a personal brand, and you can earn money using AI content. In skill 1, you work for clients. In skill 2, you work for yourself. No client, no boss, no deadlines. You build one Instagram page or else your YouTube channel and earn money from that. Why this skill is most powerful? Nowadays, theme pages are growing very fast, like motivation pages, fitness pages, study pages, money pages. They grow using reels and they earn from affiliate links, paid promotions, and selling small digital products. So here, students are earning 5k to 50k per month. Firstly, what is a theme page? So theme page means you will not show your face. You post content on one topic. For example, study page, study tips page, motivational page, fitness page, money facts page, like that. So here you only post reels without your face. So for that tools you need a CapCut, Canva and ChatGPT for ideas, and these are all free. Okay. So after choosing any one theme, daily post 2 reels and 1 carousel post. That's enough. Then how to make reels? Simple. Go to YouTube and search motivational videos or else fitness videos, cooking videos, study tips videos, and download that 30-second clip, edit it in CapCut and make it subtitles very big, and zoom cuts, background effects, sound effects. Add all these things into that video, then post it on your page. But make sure strong hook title. For example, stop wasting your life, study like this for 30 days, increase your consistency with a 2x speed, like this. Then how to grow in this skill? Use a trending audio, use 5 Nikki hashtags and reply to every comment. So within 30 days, you will definitely reach above 1k. Then how to earn money from that page? Method 1, from affiliate links. Promote study lamps, books, courses, Amazon products like this. Put these links into your bio. When someone buys, you get commission. Even 5 sales per day can give 3k to 5k per month. Then method 2, paid promotion. When your page reaches 10k or 15k, and small pages will pay you 500 rupees to 1000 rupees per story post. So like that, 4 promotions per month, 4k easily. And method 3, sell digital products. Sell study timetable, PDF, habit trackers, motivational ebooks. Set price to 49 rupees to 99 rupees, like that. If 10 people buy daily, of at least 500 rupees to 1000 rupees per day. So first 1 month, grow your page to 1k or 5k followers. In second month, start affiliate links, earn 2k to 5k, like that. In third month, start your paid promotions, earn 5k to 15k. And fourth month, sell digital products, add some more promotions. So that's enough. So no client, no boss, no deadlines. But in this skill, avoid these mistakes. Don't post mixed content and don't post randomly, and do not skip days. Keep posting daily and do not copy without editing, and then consistency grows your pages. Use this content formula: hook line on screen, fast subtitles, and short videos under 30 seconds only, because short videos grow faster. I think this is very slow in first month but powerful in long term. Client work gives fast money, theme page gives passive money, so do both. And now next skill is for creative students who like Canva and design. You can earn money by making YouTube thumbnails, and you can learn it in just 3 days. So for this, you do not need any laptop. Only you can use a Canva on your mobile phone. Why it works? Because every YouTubers always need thumbnails, right? So every video needs thumbnail. More videos, more thumbnails, more work. Because these thumbnails decide whether people click or not. So they pay thumbnail designers. Even small YouTubers are ready to pay. So for this, you need a Canva free version and some ChatGPT, like that, AI tools or Gemini AI. Enough. So in day 1, learn a big bold text and learn how to add shadow for the text. And day 2, learn a background blur effect and glow effect and color enhancement. And in day 3, learn the cutout and learn a face cutout. Learn arrows, circles, learn before after layer styles. Okay, enough. So to learn this, so simply go to YouTube, then search a Canva thumbnail designing for beginners. So there are a lot of videos in YouTube. Go and learn it. But remember this thumbnail formula. Every good thumbnail has just 3 to 5 words only. That 2 big bold text, 1 main face or object, high contrast colors, 1 emotion like shock, happy, angry, in that way, and do not write long sentences because nowadays short text like that more clicks. Then how to find clients? So simply go to YouTube, then search a small channels like 1k to 5k or 10k around like that, and DM to them and they will reply. You can edit for that peoples. So client message method. First pick their latest video and redesign their thumbnail and comment on their video. I redesigned your thumbnail, check your Instagram and send them your design in DM. Then say I can design thumbnails for your future videos. If in case they like your thumbnails, then do it. Then what about price planning? So beginner price 300 per thumbnail. So it's very easy for clients to pay. If you make 3 thumbnails daily, you will earn 900 rupees per day. So like that around 27k per month. After practice, increase your pricing tags. 300 to 500 rupees, then 1000 per thumbnail. It's possible. And also you can post your thumbnails on your Instagram page. When clients check your portfolio, they see your work, then trust increases as well as. But avoid these mistakes. Too much text, low contrast colors, small text, messy design, copying big YouTubers exactly. So don't do like that. Take inspiration but makes your own style design. Now next skill is more powerful because local businesses pay fast. You can earn by making simple websites, that too without coding, and one website can give you around 4k to 10k. So in this you only use templates, then change text and images. That's it. And also in some cases we use AI, that means Google AI Studio. Why this skill is very powerful? Because every local business needs a website, right? Gym, cave, salon, coaching classes, tuition teachers, so to all. But most of them do not have website and they think website is expensive. But here you will offer them with low cost. They will say simply yes. So to do this work, you have only WordPress, Google AI Studio, or else a Wixsite website. So there are multiple YouTube tutorials on these websites. You can learn from it. First start with WordPress, then move to Wix, then move to Google AI Studio. Before finding clients, make 2 demo websites. Example, gym websites or else coaching classes websites like that. Then take screenshot, put them into your Google Drive and send that link to your clients. Then how to find clients? So simply open Google Maps, search gym near me, salon near me, or coaching near me, then open their profile if they do not have website and they are your client, and send this message. Hello sir, I'm a student. I build low cost websites for local business. I can make a simple websites for you for your gym or else for your business at 3k or 4k. Then can I send you a demo? Simple, respectful and clear. So like this 10 messages daily. If they reply yes, send your demo screenshots. Then say I will deliver a website within 3 or 5 days. So fast delivery is like higher chances of fast payment. After making these websites, offer Google Map setups, Instagram page setups, then charge extra. In this, don't do these mistakes. Do not use difficult design and do not delay delivery and do not take full payment before starting. Take 50% advance like that, but always take advance. So here local clients do not ask your degree. They only want a website. Speak simple, be polite, deliver fast. If in case they trust you, one business client can bring another business client. Now last skill is the best for monthly income. This skill give fixed money every month like a salary. That is a social media management. Let's say local businesses already use WhatsApp, but they do not know how to use it for marketing. So here you will help them send offers, send product images, send festival images to their customers, and they will pay you monthly. Why this skill makes money? Because every shop has customer phone numbers, WhatsApp contacts, but they do not send offer messages, new product updates and festival discounts like that. So when you do this for them, their sales increases. So they will pay you monthly. So for this, WhatsApp business app, Canva and Google Sheet, enough. Then what you will do for client? You make 12 WhatsApp posters for clients and write short offer messages, send a broadcast to their customers like that. So make 3 demo posters like a festival offer, discount sales, new product launch. Then write short messages, special 20% discount today. Visit our store now. Show this to shop owners. Go to your local markets, visit clothing shops or else mobile stores, gym, caves like that, and ask them, do you send offers to your customers? Most of cases they say no. Then say, I can send weekly offers to your customers. And also say this, I will design offer posters and send them to your customers, and that too in simple language. They understand. In this, do not make these mistakes. Do not send spam daily. Send only 2 or 3 messages weekly. Use simple posters. Use clear offers. Business wants sales, not fancy design. Here, local shop owners trust students blindly. If you speak politely, you do not need English. Use simple language. They care about customers, not your degree, right? Now, you know all 5 skills: video editing, theme page, thumbnail design, website design, and WhatsApp marketing. Now I will show you how to turn these skills into reality and reality into income. Here, skills alone do not make money and do not give money. System gives you money. Many students learn skills but earn zero. Now I will give you a simple and a clear roadmap for you. If you are serious, follow this daily. So that roadmap I will mention in this video description. Check it out. If in case you want any tools among these skills, comment below. I will send you. See you in the next video. Take care.